Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, today it is another coin in the wonderful Lunar Opal Series from the Perth Mint. This year, of course, it is Year of the Dragon, and this is actually number 9 in the series. Fantastic. So it is another 1 ounce silver proof coin, of course, with this iconic opal design set into the coin itself. Now we'll start off with our certificate of authenticity. Obviously we've got that lunar red, really iconic for the Lunar series. It has all of our specifications there. You have some extra information inside the certificate itself relating to the dragon. Anyone born under the sign of the dragon may be interested to read some more about that. There are 6,000 of these coins that have been minted, and it is 99.99% silver, and straight away that opal design is just really nice. I love these coins because each one is different. Each opal piece that's set into this coin is different. Now what isn't different, of course, is the obverse of the coin. Queen Elizabeth II, $1. This is pressed for Australia. And of course there you've got Queen Elizabeth II, her iconic dates there, 1952 to 2022. And here on the reverse of the coin, you have, of course, Year of the Dragon. A really nice thick coin here. A lot of intricate designs has gone onto this obverse. Really got that nice sort of Chinese border there, and of course the opal dragon itself. For anyone that's interested in this particular coin or in continuing to collect the Lunar series, hop onto our website. This and many others from this series are available. You can check them out at www.emk.com.